maraming araw na ito, ating nasaksihan yung pagsasanib ng agham at kultura. Isang patunay kung gaano man tayo kalayo at kung gaano kalayo at gaano pa kalayo ang pwede nating marating sa ating layunin na patuloy pang pagyamanin ang ating kultura sa tulong ng siyensya, teknolohiya at inobasyon. Ngayong araw din po, hindi lamang yung pagdiriwang ng makulay na kultura ng Pilipinas na hinabi ng ating tradisyon na nakatahirin sa ating pagka-Pilipino, hindi lamang yon ang pinagdiriwang natin, kundi pati na rin yung sama-samang pagsisikap ng lahat upang umunlad ang ating bansa sa tulong ng agham, teknolohiya at inobasyon. Yung mga partnerships po na pinirmahan natin earlier, it reflects our commitment in the DOST to collaborate, to provide solutions, and open opportunities. Yung collaborations po na ito, they promise to create more opportunities for people, especially in this series of Pamanagham in the textile and tourism industry. While the National Capital Region does not provide for agricultural spaces where farmers may produce fibers, we may be home to key industry players who rely on these materials to produce various products, such as wearables na nakita po natin ngayon, kasama din po ang mga sapatos. We are part of the value chain and this is why we celebrate Pamanagham, siyensya sa bawat habi at tudla. Una, to emphasize the strong connection between the production of our Philippine natural fibers, tropical fabrics, and its utilization to create Filipino-made world-class clothes and pieces. And second, to underpin that these are tied to our roots as Filipinos. Maaaring dahil na din sa pagkakaabala ng mga tao at bilis ng takbo ng oras sa Kamaynilaan, nakakalimutan at naisasantabi natin ang ating mga minulat na kulturang patuloy na sinasabuhay ng mas nakakatandang henerasyon na nasa ating mga probinsya. Pero ngayong araw, nais kong ipaalala na bahagi ng ating pagka-Pilipino ang ating mga tela, ang bawat habi, ang bawat hibla. Hence, I call on those who are in Metro Manila, whether the professionals or whether for professional or for corporate purposes, in the midst of the city's hustle and bustle, for us to help showcase our tradition through the use of Philippine fibers and fabrics to produce quality wardrobe and other wearables, putting into the spotlight the stories and cultural practices that are tied in them. Just like what we did in our Pamananghabi, we were able to showcase the weaves of our local artists. I have the honor to thank and recognize them. So please join me po on stage. On behalf of the communities that wove the collection shown by the Philippine Textile Research Institute, I would like to recognize and thank Dr. Julius Lianyo for the Anthony Cruz Legarda Collection, Kawayan Collection, and Amor Albano Collection. Ayan. So, i-cast po natin si Sir Julius dito na. Ayan. Miss Rose Wandali for the Rose and Fabric Collection. Mr. Romel Rico for Virgo by Romel Rico. And of course, our sponsor, Ms. Farah Ramos, head of the Farah Model Staff. Thank you so much. And Mr. Leonardo Bernabe Jr., AVP for Marketing of the Body Shop. A round of applause, please, for our artists and partners. Matinakpan na sila, no? So we at the DOST remain steadfast in our commitment to provide solutions and open opportunities through science, technology, and innovation. Makakaasa po kayo that we will work hand in hand as one DOST to build a nation where science serves as a thread that binds our rich cultural tapestry. Patuloy po kami magbibigay ng mga solusyon at magbubukas ng mga oportunidad habang tinitiyak na ang pamanang kultura ay pagyayabang Agham Teknolohiya at Inobasyon. So muli po, mabuhay ang Agham Teknolohiya at Inobasyon, mabuhay ang ating pagiging Pilipino, at magandang hapon po sa lahat.